Good morning students, 10th standard, Justice English High School, Vijaypura, Karnataka. And I am your English faculty, Shashwati Chaudhary in front of you. Let's start today new lesson, unit number 4, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar by Sri R. Venkataraman. Before going to read the lesson, open your textbook, get ready with a pencil in your hand to read the text properly. Before going to start, you see that here Dr. B.R. Ambedkar time to time paragraph wise given, check your understanding, share your responses. These all things include to help your writing skill. Read and respond, reading activity, obviously. One poem given, The Eagle, Alfred Lord Tennyson. Practice writing something given, that one you have to do. Syllabification, some things in a different way. Dictionary work, reading grammar, and so on. Page number 80, you open your textbook. See, Ramaswamy Venkataraman. Ramaswamy Venkataraman, who is the writer, author of B.R. Ambedkar. Ramaswamy Venkataraman was a lawyer, independence activist and politician who served as a union minister of our country, and he was the 8th president of India. So, who is this writer? Ramaswamy Venkataraman. Sri Ramaswamy Venkataraman was a lawyer, independence activist, politician who served as a union minister of our country, and he was the 8th president of India. I like the religion that teaches liberty, equality, and fraternity. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is an important and famous quote of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. I like the religion that teaches liberty, equality, and fraternity. Let's start Dr. B.R. Ambedkar by Sri R. Venkataraman. 10th group, get ready. Open your textbook, page 68. Before going to start the lesson, follow. Concept. National visionary. Learning points from this lesson. Expressing gratitudes, outstanding personalities, and explanation. Thoroughly I will give you. I will read the whole text, para-wise explanation. You will listen sincerely. Then you will respond through comprehension. And after that all the activities, reading activities, simultaneously writing activities, you will do it clearly. Make notes. Help your teacher to check properly your notebook. So these all things. Complete your all notes. Bring it to the school premise so that I should get chance to check your notebook. So dear students, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar by R. Venkataraman. One trait. Before that you see, before you read, something given here. Not gold, but only men can. Make a nation great and strong. Men who for truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long. Brave men who walk while others sleep, who dare while others fly. They build a nation's pillar deep and lift them to the sky. All of us love our country, don't we? But some people believe soldiers and politicians are the only people who can build the nation and contribute directly to its growth. Do you agree? So how can simple or common man contribute to strengthen the country? This one you can discuss with your friends through online. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, page 68. One trait which marked Baba Sahib during his student days and in fact throughout his life was that he was a voracious reader. He was very good, studious. He had an insatiable thirst for books. That is, he always do research on different category books. He bought books by curtailing his daily needs. One expenditure always he keep for books, curtailing, making shortcut to his daily needs. In New York, he is said to have purchased about 2,000 old books, and it is recorded that at the time of the Second Round Table Conference in London, he bought so many books that they had to be sent to India in 32 boxes. It is important to record here one major influence on Dr. Ambedkar. What is this? While in the USA, United States of America, he was drawn to the 14th Amendment of the Constitution. Mark it, is important. 14th Amendment of the Constitution of the USA, which gave freedom to the black Americans. He saw at once the parallel of the situation for the depressed classes in India, simultaneously depressed classes, same way in India. On returning home, Baba Saheb, means Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, came to be greatly influenced by the life and work of Mahatma Phule. Mahatma Phule's life and character impressed Dr. B.R. Ambedkar very much. After coming back from United States, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar felt it, realized it, that really some people in India are in truly depression. The votary of a classless society and women's uplift. Women are always in the down. They should get the upliftment through their education and through their merit. The need as well as the feasibility of reform impressed itself on Baba Saheb's mind, and he decided to devote all his time and talents for the amelioration of his underprivileged brethren, means those who are underprivileged, under benefit. For them he wanted to do something in India. Newspapers started by him, such as the very important point to note down, underlined with a pencil, Muknayak, Bahishkrit Bharat, Samata, were at once recognized as authentic voices of the depressed classes. Likewise, institutions set up by him, such as the Hitakarini Sabha and the Independent Labour Party of India, became vehicles of change. With all this, he made it so that through the publicity of the newspaper, articles, magazines, society should change. One reformation, modification he wanted to bring in the society of India. During the same period, Gandhiji was pioneering his epic reform of Indian society. Gandhiji also started remaking of the society in India, which included the uplift of depressed classes whom Gandhiji had termed Harijans. Depressed classes, long years, they did not get chance in education, they did not get chance in proper platform in the society, they are always achyuta. So Gandhiji also wanted to give them some frame. Baba Saheb, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, was elected, underlining, to the Bombay Legislature Assembly in the elections under the Constitution of India Act 1935. Baba Saheb made effective contribution to the debates in the assembly on a variety of subjects, not only one particular subject in the Indian Constitution. It's packed up with lots of subjects, because you know, Indian Constitution is not, it is framed and reconstructed or constructed in India. It is totally a copy-paste constitution. Whenever you will read Indian Constitution, you will understand it. You should know the law and order, the articles, what informed in Indian Constitution. There are so many things in Indian Constitutions. So law and order you should never violate. If you know law and order as per Indian constitutions, you have to show path to everywhere in the society. Don't depend on any department or higher authority or this and that. You should abide by law and order of your country, that's India. Dear students, 10th group, follow it. So Baba Saheb made effective contributions to the debates in the assembly on a variety of subjects. His flair for legislative work became evident of the whole nation. Evident means examples of the whole nation. Voracious, down to page number 69 you see. Voracious means contextually very eager for knowledge. Insatiable means that which cannot be satisfied. Amelioration, always break and spell, then pronounce. Amelioration, make something better. That's all today's lesson. Read this much, shortly coming back with the continued lesson. Thank you.